Good morning student, this is your science period and today I will explain you in science our lesson 3 food and health. Lesson 3 food and health. Student, yesterday I have explained you nutrients in food, carbohydrates and fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Today I will explain you roughage and water. We get roughage or fiber from fruits and vegetables. It helps us to throw toxins, waste toxins or waste products out of our body. It also helps us to avoid constipation. From fruits and vegetables, we get lots of fiber or roughage. It's also help us to throw toxin or waste products out from our body. It's also help us to avoid constipation problems. Roughage and water help us to avoid constipation. Water is a very important part of our diet. As we know that water is very important for all of us. So it is said that we should drink lots of water in our diet. We should drink lots of water in our life. It helps carry all the nutrients around our body. Water helps to throw waste out of our body in the form of sweat and urine. Water helps us to carry all the nutrients around our body. Water also helps to throw waste out of our body in the form of sweat and urine. It helps to regulate our body temperature. One should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. It is very important for all of us. Now we have to understand, write two sources of each of the following nutrients. Number 1 is carbohydrates. We get carbohydrates from potato, rice. This is main source of carbohydrates. Number 2 is fats. We get fats from ghee, butter. Number 3 is roughage. We get roughage from fruits and vegetables. Number 4, vitamins and minerals. From milk and green leafy vegetables, we get vitamins and minerals. Potato and rice are the main source of carbohydrates. Ghee and butter are the main source of fats. Fruits and vegetables are the main source of roughage. Milk and green leafy vegetables are the main source of vitamins and minerals. Now we have to understand about balanced diet. The kind of food we eat is our diet. Our diet must have different food items. It should have adequate quantity of all the 5 nutrients. We know that we should eat always healthy food. We should eat that type of food which have all the 5 nutrients. A diet with all the 5 nutrients in the right quantity along with roughage and water is called a balanced diet. A food pyramid tells us what to eat to make the diet healthy and balanced. If we observe the food pyramid, the food items at the bottom are meant to be eaten in comparatively greater quantity than those at the top of the pyramid. This is balanced diet and we should eat this type of healthy food so that we become healthy. We all require different quantity of nutrients. The nutrient requirements of a person depend on his/her age, gender and the occupation. Young people who perform more physical work need more energy, so they should eat lots of carbohydrates. The young people who have to perform more physical work, so they need more energy, so that they should eat lots of carbohydrates products. Young growing children require protein, vitamin and minerals. The small children require proteins, vitamins, minerals. People who sit in the office should not eat large quantities of carbohydrates and fats because they do less of physical work.